Hey everybody, how's it going? Been a long time, right? So, Lot Lizard Special, peaches and cream. Now, I just thought the name was funny. I've got another one that's kind of gross that I'm going to use here coming up, so we'll just deal with it, I guess. As I say on the recipe, anybody that knows peaches knows that she's special. And that's all we'll say about that. Use your imagination. So yeah, let's take a look at this recipe, then we'll mix it and we'll come back and vape it. Flavora cream. Using that at 1%. It's just a great cream flavor. The other thing that Flavora does, it's going to add some richness to the recipe, as well as it's one of them flavors that tends to just kind of help mix everything together, right? So it should be one uniform flavor throughout the vape. Jungle Flavor Honey Peach and White Peach from Flavor Art are the peaches. Now, Jungle Flavors Peach, okay, that is a dark peach, okay? It's a deep flavored peach with some honey flavor to it. The great thing about it, I love the peach off of it. I get very little throat hit, so it's not real harsh like some other peaches. But also the honey note in it, right? No cat pee. For me, anyway. I don't get any cat pee from it. The Flavor Art White Peach, it's a nice, bright peach. It's going to give you those brighter peach notes on top of the honey peach. It really helps to push that peach note forward, as well as it adds some juiciness, right? Keeps things from getting too dry. Shisha Vanilla from Inawera. What a great vanilla. It's a very versatile vanilla, good in a lot of applications. Here, it's going to add some more vanilla to the ice cream. It's also going to help brighten things up a little bit, as well as provide some mouthfeel, right? It's got a very good mouthfeel to it. Lastly, we got the Liquid Barn Vanilla Ice Cream. Now, that's going to do the same thing, right? That is our main cream in this. It's got a light vanilla, a good mouth. It's a pretty quick steeper as far as a cream goes. And if you really look for it, right, you can actually taste a slight bit of egginess in it. And it just adds to the recipe. So I'm recommending a 5-day steep on this. So y'all mix it and let me know what you think. Let's go mix. So we mix this, take a little taste, and we'll get out of here. On my drop at 90 watts, 0.13, tri-core dual fused clapped-in coil, stainless steel. Okay, so right off the bat, it's got a very good mouthfeel. It's nice and thick feeling. The peaches are there. Just that jungle flavor honey peach for me just needs to steep for 3 or 4 days. I put 5 days on the overall recipe, but honestly, I usually shake and vape it. You know, I make it in 100 milliliter batches, and you know, 3 or 4 days from now, it changes a little bit, and then I vape the rest of it. So, hope y'all enjoy this one. Let me know what you think. That's my way to mix it. As Mary Beth says, mix it your way. If it's better, let me know. I'll give it a go. All right. Till next time, y'all. Stay safe. Keep on trucking. Keep on vaping.